In this video, I'll show you how to add a Facebook page to your personal Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to the account you want to use. Tap your profile picture to open your profile, then tap your name or the profile section to view your profile. Now, look for the Edit Profile option and tap it. Scroll down until you find the Links or Intro section, depending on your Facebook version. Tap Edit and look for an option to add a website or social link. If Facebook gives you the option to add a page, select it and search for the Facebook page you want to connect. Choose your page from the results and confirm the selection. If you don't see the page, make sure you are an admin or have the required access to that page. You can also open your Facebook page, tap the three dots, and check the page settings to make sure your account has the correct access. After adding the page, review your profile and make sure the page appears in the section you selected. Keep in mind that Facebook regularly changes its menu names and layout, so the exact options may look slightly different on your phone. And that's how you can connect your Facebook page with your personal profile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials.